Angel number message. Angel number message. 840. 840. Angel number 840. Angel number 840. New lessons. Truth is revealed. You have leveled up your spiritual journey. Your angels acknowledge that what has been revealed to you is going to change your perspective from now on. Journal about how a recent truth has affected you and now how you plan to accommodate its presence in your life from now on. Angel number 840, new lessons. Truth is revealed.